Good morning, children. In this topic, today we will discuss about the terms of credit. We have studied already how the borrower is taking loan from the bank or money lender, etc. So there are some agreement or condition we have studied that when the lender lends money to the borrower, there some terms are there. Terms and conditions they make an agreement of their money which they are lending. So what terms? We know that every loan agreement specifies an interest rate. That means when we are borrowing money, we need to pay some interest also along with the principal amount. When the principal amount or the amount which we are taking from the bank or a money lender, we make an agreement that we have to return the principal amount. In addition, that some kind of interest also, extra money we need to pay back. Okay, the whatever we have borrowed, we need to pay some extra money. Along with some type of lenders may demand some sort of documents. That is what we call collateral. So when we are taking the loan, okay, we have to submit some sort of collateral or which is called a security, any guarantee we are giving. So what is the collateral? Collateral can be any type of asset, that can be gold ornaments, or sometimes we are submitting in the bank, or house or land documents, or if we are an employee, employment documents, etc. When we are getting the government salary, government employee, we can submit the employment documents or salary documents. Or sometimes we can suppose we have a vehicle documents we can submit. If we have animals also, cattle or other animals, their documents also we need to submit in the bank. So that is called a collateral. It is a security which the banks collect from the borrower, so that until the money is repaid, the loan or the credit is repaid, the collateral will be as a security will be kept with the bank or the money lender. Okay, so here some cases, suppose the borrower is unable to repay the loan or the credit obtained from the bank or the money lender, he has or the bank has the right to sell the property or sell the collateral and earn the amount and with interest who has taken. Okay, he has taken. So that here we can find many of the cases collateral. The poor people in the rural areas, they do not have sufficient collateral to submit in the banks. They don't get loans, so that they are approaching the money lender. Now interest rate, collateral and document requirement and all these are the mode of payment together comprise the credit terms or the terms of credit. What are the terms of credit? The agreement we make with the lender and make with made between the lender and the borrower. That is called the terms of credit. That can be documents. Sometimes we are submitting the collateral, we are submitting. All these are the terms of credit. Okay, we can find here many types of such kind of terms exist. If we are approaching a bank or such kind of governmental institutions, but in between a money lender and a person, borrower, there may not have such kind of collateral, or without collateral also the money lender, if he knows the individual personally, he may be able to pay the loan also, or he is providing credit also. So how a person is taking a house loan, we will study better example, we will get the example and the terms of credit we will understand. Megha is a person who is taking a loan of 5 lakhs from the bank. what purpose? To purchase a house. To buy a house, Megha has taken 5 lakhs from a bank. So here the annual interest rate of the loan is 12%. The 12% of interest rate she has to pay to the bank every year. So also they have made a condition, that made an agreement that within 10 years she can pay the loan back in installments. Monthly installments she can pay it in 10 years. There is the agreement. Okay, so money lenders may not give such kind of long duration. They need the immediately after the harvesting or within 1 year or 2 years we need to repay the loan. But here the bank agreed that 10 years duration was given to Megha. It became very easy for her. So Megha had submitted the bank that the documents showing her the employment record. She is a government employee. Employment record she has submitted in the bank. Also when she purchased the house documents, all the papers also Megha had submitted in the bank as collateral, so that when Megha completes her loan in 10 years, the bank will end their loan with interest after payment. The bank will retain all the documents she had submitted in the bank as collateral. Okay, so this is the way bank provides us money or loan, and credit is very cheaply available from banks. But when many people who are approaching the money lender or private people, we need to pay high rate of interest. So in the next session, we will provide some examples of varying terms in the credit, in different credit arrangements. The more examples we will study in the coming classes.